Hey, what up guys, this is Pastor Cano again. We're coming out with another video. So we're going to be doing more JavaScript, and today we're going to be talking about a little bit more about the difference between let and also var. If you go over the internet, you will see, if you go to a Stack Overflow, if you go over there, you will see a lot of all the var variable being used everywhere, right? So let's see the difference. So this is the old way, using var price equals 25, right? And then we just do show message, and then we're going to do price right here, and this works fine, right? And we save it. Let's see, our browser is going to be updated 25, which is fine. That works fine. But now if we move this to the top and then we save it, and there is nothing, right? It doesn't give us an error in here. So a difference. So if we use let keyword, we save that and update it, look, it gives us cannot access price before initialization, as you can tell. And usually, in order to work properly, the program starts from top to bottom, right? Just to start executing. So in here, using let, it gives us all the expected errors that we want to see, and then we can try to debug it, right? But with var, it's hard. It doesn't give us that. Like we did it before, there is nothing right there. If we try just to console log, console log, and we're going to do price, and then we save that and update it right here in our browser, it comes as a undefined. You know, basically, price should never exist until it gets declared, and right here is given as undefined, right? So that's really important to use the let keyword when we're declaring a variable. All right, so this is just a very quick one, just to see the difference between both of them. Hopefully this is kind of clear. But anyway, so have a good night, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. All right, have a good night. Bye bye.